Hi PG Squad, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new, my name is PG and welcome to my channel. Please like, subscribe to my channel for everything fashion related. So today PG Squad, I am doing this soft glow. I hope you like it. I hope you learn something from it. If I did anything wrong in this video, please don't forget to comment and let me know, because I am here to learn. So as you can see, I have displayed my subscribers, because I feel like just because I'm a small and tiny YouTuber does not mean that I'm not proud of my people. I'm proud of each one of you who subscribe to my channel. So I have to show you guys to the world and let you guys know how proud I am of you guys. Please subscribe. It really helps me a lot. Subscribe. Okay, I am going to leave you guys and put the video right now. So I'll be using the MAC Pre-Prime. I'll be using the MAC Pre-Prime to prime my face. I'm sorry if I'm looking sideways, it's because my mirror is right here. Primer on my hair, how nice. So how's everybody doing? Let me know what you want to see on my channel, because I'm really trying to do everything. So for my foundation, I'm gonna be using, I don't know if you guys can see it, the Cream Shop Match Made Luminous Liquid Foundation in shade 40, 43 and 47. I don't know if you guys can see that. So that's what I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna put it on my powder. I like to mix it up before I put it on my face. So I like do like a couple of scoops of 47, and then for 43 I will be using just a little bit. It looks like this. Can you guys see it? I use one of my brushes and mix it all together, and then I also use that brush to put it on my face. So I just did everything completely wrong the way I usually do my makeup, because I am so nervous. So I'm gonna put this down and do my eyes first, because I usually do my eyes first and it's easier that way. This is what happens when you get nervous in front of the camera. I don't know why I'm still nervous though. I should be used to this by now, but I'm always nervous, so oh well. So I'm gonna be using the LA Pro concealer to conceal my eyes. I have to bring you guys just a little bit close to my pores. So I put black opal, I don't know if you guys can see it, black opal powder to like set it, because once it's wet, it gets creased. So for my eye, I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette. For my transition shade, I'll be using 7. After the transition shade, I'll be using shade 11. The power of makeup is to blend. You have to do a lot of blending if you want to get the look you're looking for. See, it's turning out okay. I feel like this is not, why is it not focusing on me? What is going on? Why is the lens dirty? Want me patient. Okay, so we're gonna cut our crease. We are gonna do a cut crease. See, the good thing about me, I don't have a large crease, so That makes life easy for me. Into some powder and just dry my crease, because if it's not dry, it's not gonna turn out right. You know what I'm saying? Do you know what I mean? I'm sure you guys do. So I got another brush, and to wet the brush, I'm gonna spray with my NYX Professional Makeup, NYX Matte Finish. Just to spray on there. And then now I'm gonna go in with number 6 here. No, number 6 here on the L'Oreal Paradise palette. See how pigmented this is? Very much. Very much. Oh baby girl, she is, oh my gosh. It's so sexy. It is so sexy. Makeup is so sexy. So to finish it all together, I'm gonna dip a little in the 6 and 11. Why do I keep forgetting? So I just dip both of them together and just, you know, move it around. We gotta make sure we blend in all the sideburns so it will look at least a little bit natural. How am I doing so far? Like, comment, and subscribe in the description bar. No, in the comment section. Comment in the comment section. So we're gonna use this liquid liner from Beauty Reflection on our eye, the eyeliner. I hope I'm saying these things right. I like to close my eye like this and just swipe it. Swipe or no swiping? Yes, this one we're gonna need swiper to swipe. Swipe or no swiping? Too late. Oh man. Like when you're really into the Dora and then swiper goes and swipe the thing and throw it like 100 miles away. Now we gotta start all over looking for the thing. I'm crazy. What do you guys think though? You guys think I'm doing a good job for somebody who is not a makeup artist? Ooh, this one is a little too high. See, that's how it always is. One is always higher, one is always longer, one is always prettier. I cannot. See what I'm saying? This is so perfect, and this is, now I have to mess this up so they both will look like they're messed up on purpose. Hey, it's no name. I have this thing for like 5 years. It's still good. So I'm gonna fix my itty bitty. If you hear kids in the background, that's PG's angels. That's my little angels. Knowing that I'm filming, they still decide to be happy. Be happy. I'm gonna mix these two together. Uno, dos. Gonna mix them together and then do my bottom eye. You guys, if you're this far in the video, if there's that one person who's watching and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It helps me a lot. Don't tell me love. I'm so freaking grateful for my ex. Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. Now that it's done, I am going to put my eyelashes on. So here it is. I bought these lashes from the beauty supply store. I don't know the name. I had them for like a very long time. So now that the eyes are done, it's time to do the face. So let's cool you back just a little. There you go. Can you see me? Yes, you can. You have no choice but to see me. You actually do. You actually do. You actually have a choice. I hope the choice is to see me. Okay, now back to the foundation I mixed. I'm gonna use my beauty blender and blend it. It looks just a teensy bit lighter than me, but it's all gonna blend in together and do a wonderful job on my skin. Even though my skin is breaking out, I'm sure you guys can see all the people having a party on my face. Like they don't have respect for themselves. Make sure you beat the flying flicker out of the face, because you know that's what I'm doing right here. We gotta beat it, beat it. No wanna beat it. It doesn't matter who wrong or right, just beat it. Oh, beat it. I'm always singing or dancing. I don't know why, that's just me. So after blending, I'm gonna use the Elegant Pro concealer. I don't know what shade is this. Chestnut. I'm gonna use chestnut to chest my nuts. I'm sorry, this is stupid. So I'm gonna use the same brush I use for everything else. Oh my gosh. There's nothing wrong with her. I'm sorry. There's nothing wrong. She's watching a show, so she just decided to go crazy. There's nothing wrong with her, I promise. So now what I'm gonna do is blend it. Guess what I'm using to blend it? No, I'm not gonna use the same brush. I'm not gonna use the same brush, okay? Or the same you know what I'm trying to say? Oh my gosh, I have to be back. I have to go and wet this. So I'm back. I'm gonna use this little tiny brush blender and blend it. blush palette. We're gonna use the lightest one, like this one right here. Never mind my brush. Oh my gosh, there's nothing wrong with these kids. I just give birth to them. So I'm just gonna ooh, girlfriend. Ooh. Please, I'm trying to film. Jesus. Because I'm trying to film. I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution London palette. I don't know if you guys can see it. I think you cannot. The Makeup Revolution palette to highlight. Okay. I'm gonna use this one. Let's win this beauty together. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are beautiful, like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Where's my? Hey. Come on, man! Stop touching my hair. I'm still filming. So now we're gonna do the lips. These lips. I'm gonna use this waterproof marker. It's supposed to be like eyeliner-ish. That's what I use for my eyebrows. I guess that's why my eyebrows look like that. Okay, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Pretty Please. I'll be using Fenty Beauty Pretty Please. I need to look like Rihanna. I just want to look like Rihanna just for tonight. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Again, my name is PG, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.